What if every human on Earth jumped at exactly the same time? Could we move the planet? Could we change its orbit? Could we actually cause an earthquake? There are more than 8 billion people alive today. Combined, that's roughly 500 billion kilograms of human. And if everyone jumped together, that's a lot of force. So, what would happen? Let's imagine the impossible. For one moment, every person on Earth stands shoulder to shoulder in one giant field. Then, three, two, one, jump. For a split second, humanity leaves the ground, and for one glorious moment, Earth pushes back. So did we move the planet? Technically, yes, by about the width of a single atom. Not a meter, not a millimeter. An atom. But here's where things get interesting, because gravity always wins. Less than a second later, 8 billion people come crashing back down at the same time. Would that create an earthquake? Surprisingly, still no. Earth experiences more energy from a moderate thunderstorm than from all of humanity jumping together. But what if we packed everyone into one city? Now we're talking. The crowd would cover roughly 500 square miles. People would be crushed, temperatures would rise, and the logistics alone would be impossible. But let's ignore all of that. Could we at least hear the jump? Absolutely. The sound would be deafening. A thunderous boom heard for miles. For a brief moment, humanity would sound like a single living organism. And then everything would go back to normal, which is kind of amazing because it means our planet is so unimaginably massive that all 8 billion of us jumping together barely matters. Thanks for watching. And if that blew your mind, wait until you hear what happens if the moon disappeared tonight.